So today's topic is direction. In this we have to know about the of the person, direction of the person, or in which direction he or she is moving, or we have to tell the distance between the person started and in present. So the basic we have to know about these directions. Okay, north, east, south, or west. North, east, south, east, northwest, southwest. Also, this is 180 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 120 degree, this is 60 degree. These are the main angles we have to know about this. So I am going to tell you in the easiest way, like a person start moving, a person starts moving towards north for about 5 kilometers and then take a right, walk around 10 kilometer, then take another right and walk 5 kilometers. सो हमें इसमें 2 क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज इन विच डायरेक्शन he is moving. Calculate the total distance he travels. So how can we do this? So see, first a person start moving towards north for about 5 kilometer. Okay, mark a place. This is a place the person start moving towards north. North is upper direction, is in upper direction, so he start moving towards north and walk about 5 kilometer. Then a person is standing there, so this is his left and this is right, so read it. Then take a right and walk around 10 kilometers. Take a right and walk around 10 kilometers. So easiest trick is to move. Rotate your notebook and see, this is his left, this is right, and read. Then another right and walk 5 kilometers. Walk 5 kilometers. See? So the person is moving in downside, मतलब southward direction. So the first answer is south, and calculate the total distance he travel. 5, 10 plus 5, 5, 10 plus 5, 20 kilometer he travel. And one more question is, third one is, calculate the distance, shortest distance from initial point to final point. So see, the person is here, person started from here and now it is here. So see, the shortest distance is this, and we know this is 10 kilometers, so it is also 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. So the next question is, a person is moving in south direction, then walk 10 kilometer and walks 10 kilometer, after move towards east and walks 5 kilometer, then moves towards north 10 kilometer, then west 5 kilometer. So the first question is, calculate the first question is, in which direction he is moving. So we start from here, you walk in southward direction for 10 kilometers. Okay, after that he after that he moves toward east. So I give you the suggestion to rate your notebook and mark there a plus. Okay, now this is his north, this is his south, this is west, and this is east. So he walk towards east. Okay, he walked towards east for 5 kilometer, then move toward north. Again is its marking point, then mark it plus north, south, west or east. So he walk north 10 kilometers, again west for 5 kilometer, so plus there north, south, west, east. Okay, 5 kilometer west side, 5 kilometer. So he is moving in, he started from here and now it is here, so he is moving in south direction. And total distances he traveled 10, 5, 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 30 kilometers he travels. And the shortest distance is this. We have to calculate by this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 10 square plus 5 square equal to hypotenuse square. 100 plus 25 equals to hypotenuse square 125 hypotenuse square. So it means it is a cube of 5. So 5 under root 5 equals to hypotenuse. So this is 5, 10, this is 5, and this is 10, this is 5. So this is 5 under root 5. Okay, and this is also 5 under root 5. So shortest distance between A to B is 5 under root 5 plus 5 under root 5 equals to 10 under root 5. Okay, shortest distance is this. One more question. In this we have to let's take the question. A person starts moving towards north for 5 kilometers, then in west for 5 kilometers, then in south direction for 5 kilometers, then it takes 45-degree right. So in which we have to tell in which direction he is moving. Okay, the person start moving and north for 5 kilometers, and a plus north, south, west, east, then in east for 5 kilometer, then in west for 5 kilometer west. This is western side for 5 kilometer. I suggest you to rotate your notebook and write there a plus north, south, west, east. See, then in south for 5 kilometers. South is backward. He come again for 5 kilometers. Then he take right. Then he take 45-degree right. So in this is left side and this is right side, and 45-degree right. So this is the angle 45 degree. So in which direction he is moving? He is moving southeast direction. This question: after walking 10 kilometers, I turned right and covered a distance of 10 kilometers. Then turned left and covered a distance of 30 kilometers. In the end, I am facing towards north. From which direction did I start my journey? This is the question. So take this. Draw the figure. Okay? Walking 10 kilometers. Okay. 10 kilometers. कहीं भी 10 kilometers. Okay. After that, taking a right. I told you this is right, this is left, right for 10 kilometers. After that, then turn left and cover a distance of 30 kilometers. In the end, I am facing toward north. ये किसको फेस कर रहा है? नॉर्थ को. तो हमें पूछा गया है हमने किस डायरेक्शन स्टार्ट किया था. सो आप खुद देखो, ये नॉर्थ को फेस कर रहा है और यहाँ से चला, यहाँ से ऊपर गया, तो मतलब ये भी नॉर्थ होगा. ओके, ऊपर गया ना, स्टार्ट कहाँ से किया? साउथ से किया. साउथ से स्टार्ट करोगे जब भी तो ऊपर जाओगे, है ना, जब तो नॉर्थ तक पहुँचोगे. ओके, तो आंसर होगा इसका साउथ. अब ऐसे ही एक बार हम दूसरी डायरेक्शन से करते हैं. 10 किलोमीटर स्टार्ट किया डिस्टेंस कहीं से भी, ठीक है। उसके बाद कवर डिस्टेंस 10 किलोमीटर, देन टर्न लेफ्ट एंड कवर डिस्टेंस ऑफ 30 किलोमीटर। सो लेफ्ट एंड कवर डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 kilometer. I turned right and covered a distance of 10 kilometer. I turned right. So right and 10 kilometer. After that, turned left and covered a distance of 30 kilometer. Then left 30 kilometer. After that, he is facing north. ठीक है, this is north side, so this is also north and started from this point, ठीक है। तो अगर हम यहाँ से नॉर्थ की तरफ गए हैं तो अवश्य ये साउथ की जगह होगी, मतलब ये साउथ होगा, जब भी तो सीधे जाके नॉर्थ पहुँचेंगे, है ना। सो यहाँ से मतलब आंसर यहाँ से भी दिखा रहा हूँ मैं, साउथ ही आएगा। चाहे दोनों पॉइंट से करो, चाहे कहीं से भी लाइन बनाओ, चाहे ऐसी लाइन बनाओ, चाहे ऐसे बनाओ, चाहे ऐसे बनाओ, चाहे ऐसे बनाओ, ये आएगा साउथ ही, ठीक है।